You can now create YouTube thumbnail in less than 1 minute using AI. Isn't this amazing? I'm going to show you how to create different kinds of mind-blowing YouTube thumbnails using AI. Just one click and your thumbnail is ready. If you go through my channel, all these thumbnails, I know this is mind-blowing, right? You can see all these thumbnails you are seeing on the screen right now were created using AI by me. These are thumbnails for my channel. Let me take you to my channel so you can see them. This is my channel. All these thumbnails were created using AI, and I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step guide on how to use AI to create YouTube thumbnail. From today, stop spending time trying to design thumbnails in designing apps, because with just a click away, you can achieve this using AI too. Let's go. We are going to head over to our ChatGPT to get the prompt. First of all, this is my ChatGPT. I'm going to give Chat this prompt. I gave ChatGPT the prompt saying, based on trending viral AI thumbnails, give me 5 killer AI thumbnails image ideas from video titled Free AI Thumbnails. Include elements such as color, text, human face, expression, and other key elements. Maintain the topic. Do not change it. No markdown, please. I told ChatGPT to give me 5 ideas. So these 5 ideas, I'm going to go through the 5 ideas and choose any one of my choice. I mostly go with the first ones because the first ones usually give me what I like. So I'm going to actually copy the first thumbnail idea. At your end, you can try different thumbnail ideas. I'm gonna use the first one. I'm going to copy this first one. I'm going to head over to my phone notes. I already have a prompt. I have been using my phone notes to generate thumbnails constantly. So I'm going to show you one thing about this prompt. This prompt, that's the thumbnail idea, start from this YouTube thumbnail to this last place that has next level AI. So I'm going to highlight from this YouTube thumbnail and paste the new idea I just got from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste my prompts here to replace the previous prompt. Now I've gotten the prompt for the thumbnail. Let us go back and get the prompt for the character we're going to use on the thumbnail. I'm heading over to ChatGPT to get the prompt for the character we're going to use for the thumbnail. I'm going to click on this plus sign. I'm going to upload a picture of mine. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, describe this image as a prompt. Describe this image a prompt There are many ways you can actually do this, and I am going to also show you another way you can do this. Okay, Chat has given us the prompt we're going to use for this image. So I'm going to copy this prompt. First of all, I'm going to start a new note because I want to do this on a fresh page. I'm going to paste this prompt for the image here. I'll go back and copy the prompt for the thumbnail where I pasted it. I'm going to start from using 16.9 aspect ratio. I'm going to paste the prompt first. Okay, this is the first prompt that contains the YouTube thumbnail prompt, and don't forget to add your own using 16.9 aspect ratio. Generate, that is it. Then after you paste the prompts for the YouTube thumbnail itself, you are also going to copy the prompt for the image. Then okay, right now we have 2 prompts here. The first one is from this using to this transformation. This is for the thumbnail. The second one is for the image that is going to be on the thumbnail. So I said use the image prompt below. So I pasted the prompt for my image below for chat or for the AI to use it and create what I want to generate. Then I'm going to copy this whole prompt right now. Select all, copy. I am going to head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste this prompt here. Then send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to give us our image. Then let us also head to another AI tool to generate this. The next AI tool we'll be heading to is Hailuo AI. I'm going to click on Hailuo AI. You're going to find the link to Hailuo AI at the description or at the comment section. I'm going to click on generate image, new creation. I'm going to drop my prompt here. We are trying different AI tools so that we'll know the one that fits the most, so that we can use it and generate. We can pick one out of it. Okay, so I'm going to click on generate. But before that, try and put the aspect ratio that you want. So I'm going to click on this auto here, select 16.9 aspect ratio. Then click here. It's generating. I'm also going to head over to another AI tool. While trying different tools so that you can pick out the best out of them. Okay, we are back to ChatGPT. Our image is still processing and generating. Let us head over to the next AI tool we're going to use and do this. The next AI tool we're going to use now is called Leonardo AI. I'm going to click on this image so that it will know that we're going to generate image. If you're using this thing for the first time, do well to sign up. Okay, this was my previous prompt. I'm going to copy this whole prompt. I like this site well because it keeps your previous prompts for you. I'm going to copy it and click on paste to paste the actual one we are going to be using. Okay, then click on this setting icon here. Set your aspect ratio to 16.9. Then click on this generate. It will start generating. It's generating here already. These were the previous creation or thumbnails I created here. So let us go back to our ChatGPT. I think this is ready. This is what this AI tool gave us. I actually don't like it. This is why I said I should try different aspects and pick the one that you want. I don't like this. Sometimes ChatGPT will give you better image. Sometimes this particular one will give you better image. But for this one, I don't like this. So let us check another one. Wow! This is beautiful. ChatGPT gave us mind-blowing AI thumbnail. I am super excited about this. I'm going to click on this download icon to save this image. You can see the reason is good to try different AI tools, then pick the best out of them. Okay, now I'm going to head over to our Hailuo AI to check what Hailuo AI has for us. This is my Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI actually tried to give us a good thumbnail, but for now I prefer ChatGPT's thumbnail. I'm not going to save it because I'm not going to use it. I'm going to flow with the one that ChatGPT gave us. You have seen the reason is good to try different AI tools. When they give you your results, pick the one that you want and go with it. The next one is the second method that you can do this. I'm going to show you the second method you can do this. Let us go back to ChatGPT. Let us copy the second thumbnail. I'm going to copy this. Go back to our phone notes and paste it. I'm going to use this one to replace the previous prompt. Okay, paste. Then I'm going to copy all of them. In this method, instead of giving it an image to extract the prompt, I'm simply going to upload the image directly and ask ChatGPT to use that image and give me a YouTube thumbnail. Click on the plus sign, click on add image, photo library, click on add. I'm going to paste my prompt here. Remember that ChatGPT gave us 5 YouTube thumbnail ideas. So I want to use the second one to do this. So I'm going to click on paste prompt. I'm also going to tell ChatGPT using the image I uploaded. Yeah, I said using the image I uploaded and 60.9 aspect ratio generates this. Yeah, so I'm going to click on send to give ChatGPT our prompts. Okay. ChatGPT is creating our image. This is beautiful. I'm going to save this prompt, this image, sorry. I love this. ChatGPT actually the best in giving YouTube thumbnail. So this is actually how to generate YouTube thumbnail using AI. It's very simple. It doesn't even waste time, just as simple as that. If you have watched this video to this level, please do well to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, tell me the next AI tool you want me to teach you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.